Birgu in Peace. Dan huwa l-isem ta' pittura kbira 10 metri bi 3 metri li issa se tkun qed issebbaħ is-sala tal-Kunsill Lokali tal-Birgu. Il-moħħ wara din l-arti huwa l-artist Spanjol José María Cano li beda jpinġi ta' età żgħira ħafna u beda jaħdem professjonalment f'dan il-qasam fl-2002. Sentejn ilu Cano iltaqa' mas-Sindku tal-Birgu John Boxall li esprima x-xewqa li fil-binja storika tal-Kunsill ta' din il-belt ikun hemm biċċa xogħol ta' kommemorazzjoni tal-450 sena tal-assedju l-kbir.
And then because he knew that I was I like history and I like the history of Malta, the relation between Malta and Spain, which is very special, very particular. There are, as you know, a lot of Spanish surnames in the island, you know. Also like Spanish people and Maltese people, they look very similar.
Waqt l-inaugurazzjoni ta' din il-pittura s-sibt fil-għaxija, l-artist fisser ma' One News fiex tikkonsisti din il-biċċa xogħol tarti.
It's basically the city of Birgu from Valletta. And it's now, you know, thanks to the sacrifice of the brave people that were fighting here, the people of the city in Birgu, the Spanish soldiers, the Knights of St. John, not only Birgu, not only Malta, but the whole Occidental world, as you know, remained with what we have now, because otherwise we would probably be Muslims ourselves and within the Ottoman Empire from that time.
Zid jgħidilna x'inhuma l-ħsibijiet tiegħu dwar din il-gżira li minkejja li ċkejkna hija kbira fil-valuri storiċi tagħha.
Malta is a very special place, you know, it's a very charming, very unique place, not only physically but metaphysically. What happened here, how people are, the relation that you have with things. I always, when people ask me out of Malta, what do you think like about Malta? I say, well, Malta is a great country. You know, they keep the best of both worlds, of the traditional world and of the actual world.